Hi, Joe Camberato here, CEO and founder of National Business Capital. In this video, I'm going to talk about term loans for wholesalers and distributors. So a term loan, if you don't know, is basically when you borrow a set amount of money and have a set term and payment to repay it back. So typically business term loans today are typically 12 to 24 month type of terms. If you utilize an SBA 7A term loan, you can go out to 10 years. Qualifications really range, and that's exactly why I started National Business Capital. We have over 75 different lenders on our platform, and certain lenders really love wholesale distributors and some do not. So it's really important to get matched with the right lender, and that's exactly what we help you with. In the world of business lending today, you have banks and you have non-bank lenders. So banks look at a few key things in order to get approved. It's your personal and business credit, it's profit, and it's collateral. And there's a few types of collateral that banks will look at. The challenge is with most businesses is they don't usually hit all of those boxes. So you might have great credit, that's fine. We work with business owners that have excellent credit, that have challenged credit from growing their business. You know, most of our clients are profitable. Some aren't because they're growing so fast. So both of those things are okay. And then collateral. You know, banks are looking for real estate, which is the obvious. They're looking at inventory and heavy machinery, which you may have or may not. And then receivables, B2B receivables. So depending on who you're selling to, those receivables may be valuable to a lender or to a bank or not. If you're selling direct to consumer, then those receivables are not valuable. If you don't have real estate or heavy machinery and a lot of inventory, then technically in a bank's eye, you don't have any collateral. That's where we really come in, and we work with business owners that are great businesses, have got great credit, profit, but don't have the collateral coverage that maybe banks would look at. We tend to look at cash flow. Where have you been in the last 3, 6, or 12 months? Where are you right now? But more importantly, what are you looking to borrow money for and where are you going? There's some really great term loan options that are available today that are purely based on your cash flow, what's currently going on in your business, and where underwriters don't focus in on collateral and collateral coverage. They also move very quickly. Typically we can get approvals in a day to a few days, and fundings in days and weeks, which is much faster than a bank. It all really depends on what are you looking to borrow money for. So on a term loan, it's great because you have a longer period of time to repay with a set cost and a set payment. So it's nice, you're borrowing money, you know exactly what your payment is, you have a long period to pay it back. But if you're a wholesaler or a distributor and you're looking to buy and sell inventory, you may also want to consider looking at a business line of credit. Even if you tried to work with your bank on this and they gave you a challenge with the line of credit, it's usually because you didn't have that collateral coverage. There are line of credit options out there that don't look at the same things that banks do. There are certain lenders out there that will look past the collateral. They'll focus in on your cash flow, and you can get a line of credit based on that. But it's just really nice to know your different options, and that's something that my team can help explain to you, answer your questions, and go into more detail. It all really just depends on what your need is for capital and what your opportunity is. And based on your need and your opportunity will really make up the right lending product. It's not just a matter of getting an approval, it's all about getting funded, but it's not just about getting funded, it's also about getting funded with the right lender. So it's really important as an owner and entrepreneur that you understand the different options available to you and the different qualifications. Again, thanks for watching this video and tuning in. I want to wish you nothing but success in growing your company. Keep doing what you're doing and keep growing.